Oh yeah, yes. AMD sent me 2 packages. I wonder what's inside there. Well, you know what? I'm not even gonna waste any time, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this bad boys because I can't wait. All right, guys, let's dive in and see what we have here. I know I have a good feeling about this, but first, of course, set one on one aside. We have 2 packages, as you know. What's in the first box? Ryzen right here. Bam, ooh. AMD Ryzen 7 2700X, yes, 8 cores, 20 megabyte cache unlocked, highest multiprocessor unit, high performance. It's also got the new Rates Spire, of course, CPU fan. We've got 2 CPUs. We've got the Ryzen 5. Here, this is the Ryzen 5 2600. Right there, and then we've got the Ryzen 7 2700X. So we're definitely going to be probably doing our build of the 2700X. Let's go ahead and set this aside for now. So what we have in here, bring your imagination alive. 2nd gen Ryzen intelligent processor. All right, AMD, what do we have? Ooh, we got some motherboards. We've got the X470. This is the Aorus Gaming 7 Wi-Fi. Of course, here, what do we have here? Intel 802.11ac, RGB Fusion, Saber Hi-Fi, ESS Saber chipset. You've won me over with this one right here. Of course, if you look at the back, let's see, just full specs on this. Socket AM4, which is Ryzen 2 supports that. We've got 1 PCIe 2.0, 2 PCIe 2.1, RAID 0, LAN, wireless, 4 DIMM slots. Okay, this looks like pretty nice board overall. Let's set that aside and see what else we have in here. Oh, check this out. And we also have the MSI X70 Gaming M7AC. This has PCI Express 3.0. Overclock support, gaming RGB lighting support with the Mystic lighting system. Okay, let's see what they have. NVIDIA SLI 2-way, Crossfire 3-way, M.2, 2 of those. If that doesn't have 2 M.2s, though, I might have to switch over. Let's see. I have to decide which would I use. I like that ESS Saber chipset though. It just gets me audio. And finally, what else do we have in here? We've got some G.Skill RAM. Here, Sniper X, 16 gigabytes of RAM. Boom. All right, there it is. That is some cool stuff in the packaging. So there we have it, guys. We've got the Ryzen 2 2700X and 2600X in-house here. We're gonna be doing a build. Actually, we probably already have a build, so go ahead and check out our build video. It's in the cards, it's on the end screen, and gotta tell you though, I am excited to check this out. So anyway, if you have any questions or any comments, let me know. I'll try and answer them for you. Otherwise, don't forget to like and share this video, favorite this video, subscribe to the channel, check out the build, and always enjoy your entertainment.